This is a milestone worth celebrating. We just hit 3,000 subscribers right here on Serene Arts YouTube channel. I want to thank you so much for supporting the brand and also spreading the news of smartphone graphic designing across all borders. I really appreciate this, right? I appreciate this so much. Okay, so as a way of celebrating this milestone, I'm going to give out these files, right? These premium files, I'm going to give them out for free. You all can access them, download them, use them in your graphic designing, in everything that you want to do. Use them in your designing. All that you have to do right now is to tap the link in the video description and follow the prompt and download your files as soon as possible, right? Wherever you are, I would just want you to just clap for yourself, like put your hands together for yourself right now, because we've made it up to this point. Okay, it's not an easy journey. You all have been with me throughout this journey, and we still have more ways to go, right? So if you are new on this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, right? Turn on notifications so that each time I upload a new video, you get to receive notification, right? So guys, I really appreciate this, and I hope to see you in all my videos that are coming up shortly, right? Enjoy the rest of the video. Bless up.
Let me take you for